Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Camilla for those of you that are new here. Today's a very gloomy day here and it's raining. I woke up to like thunderstorms. I feel bad for the ducks over there. Look at that. I have been editing all morning long. It's literally about to hit 12 right now. It's 11:59 and I've been up since like 9-10 editing. I'm gonna make some breakfast really quick because I'm so hungry. I don't know if I should eat like breakfast or lunch because it's literally 12 o'clock. I have these tortillas and I have some steak from last night and I have avocados, so I want to make like a little wrap. This is just to heat up the tortilla. Microwave this. I want like little pieces, and honestly this is so much easier than a knife. Alright, so I have my tortilla and then I put some steak and cheese inside. Then I have guac, some salad, and I want to put some salsa in here as well. Ended up not doing breakfast since it's lunch and I'm really hungry. This seemed very good to me. Alright you guys, I just changed my outfit and I'm gonna head out because I need to grab something at Marshall's. Little like stocking stuff. Oh yeah. Honestly, today was such a lazy day. Well, not late, like I did things, but mostly computer work, and I just stayed on the couch doing it, so it was a lot of fun. I needed like a break, and I felt like yesterday I tried to do like a relaxing night and I literally had so many things to do. It was so hard. So today it was like I woke up, it was pouring. I was like, I don't even want to go to the gym. I don't want to get out of the house. I was like cramping and stuff, and I was just like, I really don't want to like work out right now. So I literally worked from my bed, and so it was such a good day. It was really lazy, but it was so nice. I made some hot chocolate again. Honestly, hot chocolate nights are like my favorite now. I literally started yesterday, but I love it. It's so good. And look, I literally didn't know this said hot cocoa. Just got out the shower, so I'm gonna do my skincare right now. I washed my face in the shower. Okay, this is a facial hydrating mist by Mana Carta Skincare. I don't know, but if you're not really big into fragrances, that is not for you because it smells like perfume, like very, very strong. It doesn't smell bad, but it's just a lot. I'm gonna use the Merit Great Skin Instant Glow Serum all over. I have this Lancome, I don't even know. It's like a serum. It says for all skin types. I don't know what it does. I like the glow it gives my skin. I have like a pimple forming right there. So I'm gonna try to put those pimple patches. Oh, I have this blemish drying lotion. I'm gonna try that on this. And I'll keep you guys updated because sometimes the pimple patch doesn't do anything if it's like not ready to be popped, you know? I don't know if it's supposed to be a thin layer or what. Whatever. I got this Aquaphor lip thing. It's like a travel sized one. And I'm gonna put that on the lips. Feeling super glowy, my goodness. I want to show you guys a hair hack. It saves you a lot of time if you have somewhere to go in the morning and you need to have your hair ready, you know? So I parted out my bangs. Not too much. I don't know if that's gonna stay. And then you get a bathrobe. I used literally my puffer jacket belt. It worked perfectly. Gave me the perfect curls. Just pick up on one side and you just twirl. Boom. I honestly couldn't really explain it much because it was freaking hard, but grab from the front and bring it around, bring it back. Gather some more hair and just keep twirling it around the robe. Alright, that is pretty much it. And then you go to bed. You can't really sleep on your side because this kind of hurts. Well, not hurts, it's just like uncomfortable. In tomorrow's video, I'll be sure to show you guys how the curls came out. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. I love you guys, and good night.